Hi, it's Myriam, and I'm going to show you how to do a parapu. Some schools are going to teach you with your feet straight together. I'm teaching you with your feet slightly pointing out. You can keep your heels together or slightly separated, whatever feels more grounding for you at the moment. And we're going to be using all muscles. Muscles in the abs, muscles in your low back, and muscles on the side of your hips. So you have to think of 4 sides that are going to be working here. We're going to think of the hips. We're going to tuck it in first, tuck in your hip. Your knees are soft, and now keeping it tucked, you're going to shift the weight to one side, and you keep the hip tucked. Now you release the hip back, and just as it's released back, you're going to shift the weight to the other leg. And again, you tuck forward, keep it tucked, shift the weight, release the hip, shift the weight, and you smooth that out. Now I'll show you from the side. Bend slightly, not too deep. If you bend too deep, you're going to be shaking a lot. So we don't want to bend too deep. That's for tamao and other steps. For this, you want to be a good bend, but not super deep bend. And we keep our shoulders, hips, and ankles aligned. So here we're already bending. We tuck the tailbone front. Keep it tucked, shift the weight. Release the hip back. And going to the other side. And again, tuck, keep it tucked, shift, lift, shift. Now smooth that out. And that's how you do a parapu. Make sure you're working your abs as well, and not only working your back muscles, because otherwise you're gonna end up shaking your booty like this. It has to come back to the front, and the main focus should be on the abs as you parapu. You tuck here and you release. Tuck, release, tuck, release, tuck, release. If you would like to learn more Tahitian with me, join my membership here on YouTube where you can learn choreographies and dive deeper into the steps.